Welcome to our Countertop Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the DUMOS Ice Maker and the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, performance, and value for money to see which one stands out in the world of ice makers. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to enjoy refreshing drinks at home, choosing the right ice maker is crucial. Let's get started. When it comes to ice production, the DUMOS Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, which is decent for home use. On the other hand, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker excels with a production rate of 40 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice per day. This makes it a better option for larger gatherings or for those who frequently entertain guests. The difference in ice production is significant and could influence your choice depending on your ice needs. Price is always a key factor when making a purchase. The DUMOS Ice Maker is priced at an affordable $69, making it accessible for budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker comes with a hefty price tag of $469. While the Aeitto offers advanced features and higher ice production, the significant price difference may deter some potential buyers. It's essential to weigh the cost against the features you truly need. User experience can make or break a product. The DUMOS Ice Maker is designed to be compact and straightforward, making it easy to operate even for those who are not tech-savvy. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker features a one-click operation, allowing users to produce ice quickly and efficiently. Additionally, it has an auto self-cleaning feature, which adds to its convenience. Depending on your preferences for simplicity versus advanced functionality, your choice may vary. In conclusion, both the DUMOS Ice Maker and the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The DUMOS is budget-friendly and compact, while the Aeitto offers superior ice production and advanced features. Consider your needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.